Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a glitter look using the long, extra long C-curve tips that I showed you guys in my haul from Amazon. These are by far my favorite C-curve tips. That's why I purchased so many, because I cannot run out. I love these tips. I did not show you guys how I prep the C-curve tips on the nail, but I will do that in another video. Here I am using the glitters that I got from Shein, and these the glitters as well were inside of that huge haul that I did. Don't think you have to run to Shein and get these glitters. There is a seller on Amazon that sells these glitters, and it comes with a pack of 20 glitters. They're the same glitters except you get more in the pack. So starting out, I did not know what look I wanted to do. I just know I wanted to incorporate the glitters, and I wanted to use my size 10 brush. If you know me, you know I use between a 14 and a 16. So this was like a bit weird, but I want to use a smaller brush because I'm using entirely too much product, and my liquid to acrylic ratio has been extremely off. So I did go in with my NSI clear powder to just add a little background, just for something for my glitter to adhere to. And that's what you see me doing here. The first color that I went into was like this pretty pink color, and I chose to put that on the pointer finger. I seriously recommend this hand. If you have not already purchased a practice hand, this hand right here is phenomenal. I'm not just saying it. This is not sponsored. This is just me being a hoarder, buying something that I did not need, and now I'm like mad that this isn't the first practice hand that I picked up. I have the Red Iguana silicone hand, I have the silicone finger, and I have two different brands of the plastic hand, and this one right here is the best. This hand is high quality. I cannot believe it was only $21.99. Even if you already do nails and you're already established, but you want to use it for whatever, just to practice art, or I would definitely pick this up. I have manhandled this hand, and it's durable. Like, it's nice. It's like high quality. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but if you don't put this in your Amazon cart and pick it up, then you're tripping. Here I went in with this pretty blue color. I love this blue glitter. When you shift it, you see a slight bit of green. It's so pretty. These glitters were very, very nice. I did buy the 20 pack of glitters like this. I did not include them in my last haul. They may be in my upcoming haul. I have so much glitters and acrylics that I've been purchasing. I'm going on like a no buy shortly because I've been buying too much stuff. But here I'm just trying to use different glitters. I do go in with each finger a different glitter, and this one has, I guess, like a hint of yellow and green. If you're not good with doing designs on nails, glitter is always the best next option. You can't go wrong. I'm just randomly placing this glitter wherever I see fit, and it's not a big deal. There's no right or wrong way to apply the glitter onto the nails. You may not notice, but your girl is struggling with this size 10 brush. I don't see how y'all out here using like a size 8, a 10. I even seen somebody said they use a 6. If you do nails, let me know down below what size brush you use, because I'm over here struggling with this size 10. I'm thinking maybe I should order a 12, but I'm going to pump my brakes and work with this 10 for a while. Just because, like I said, I want to get better at applying my glitter, not my glitter, my acrylic, the ratio of my acrylic powder and my monomer. My size 14 and 16 stuff just be everywhere. I be like I plastered a damn wall. This stuff just be all over the place. So I'm trying to become more neat and more aware of how much product I'm using, so that I'm not wasting my supplies. So here I went in with the last glitter, and then I decided to use my favorite powder. I keep telling you guys, if you do not have the NSI powders, I do not know what you are waiting for. I highly recommend the peach blush. That's my favorite, but the other colors are nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do an ombre just because I don't like to look at that brown part of the nail. So yeah. Okay, this is where you get to see me struggle. Here I'm just showing you guys that I'm using a size 10. And I am so not used to using a 10 to the point where I didn't even know how much product to pick up. I picked up a little bit. It's just very weird. But I'm hoping by like the next few tries with this brush that I will have it down packed. I just don't like that sometimes I flood my client's cuticle and I have to go in and clean it up. I feel like with a smaller brush, my application will be a lot neater and cleaner. And as you can see here, like with this first nail, I struggled with the ombre just because I was not used to this small brush. As I move on to the other finger, the application process with this peach cover powder does get better. But for this first nail, I was struggling. So this next finger, I believe that my application became a lot better just because I got kind of used to how much powder I was picking up, and I was able to blend the acrylic into the glitter a lot easier and a lot faster than I was with that first finger. So here I'm just blending it in, and I really like how these nails are coming out. I want to do a set like this on myself or on someone. I'm sure once I post these on my Instagram, someone that comes to get their nails done from me is going to want something similar. I just love long nails. So yeah, I'm going in with the NSI Peach Blush, and I'm going to do this for all the nails. I'm going to actually probably speed up the last two nails because it's literally the same thing. I'll come back when I'm encapsulating. Bomb. I really do like the way they look. Very simple and just cute. I just love the way these came out. Now I am going to go in and encapsulate them with my clear NSI powder, and I did switch over to my size 14 brush to encapsulate. This will be a perfect time for me to tell you guys what I am giving away. I am giving away a beginner nail kit from Amazon with 48 pieces. I did show everything that's going to be in that kit in my last video where I did the Amazon haul. So if you are interested but you want to see what's inside the kit, go and watch the video from my Amazon haul and it will be in there. All you have to do to be entered in winning that kit is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. I am Nailed by Shy. If you do not have Instagram and you have Facebook, I also have a Facebook page, Nailed by Shy. Do me a favor and just leave a comment down below letting me know what state you are from. This is an international giveaway. I do not mind shipping international. Let me know what state or country you are from, and that is it. The rules are simple. I will announce the winner in my next video. If you do not win, do not feel bummed out. I will be doing another giveaway. Not my next video, but the following one. I will be doing another giveaway. So hold on, hold tight. I'm trying to get to every one that I can. So I am going to speed the rest of this encapsulation up because it's repetitive. It's just clear acrylic enclosing the glitter. I was going to edit this part out of the video, but I just want to show you guys I do go in and shape it up with the 80 grit file. And the key to shaping up the CC curved tips is to use long strokes, not short ones when you're filing the sides. Like, you don't want to go like this. You don't want to use short strokes like this. You want to use long, even strokes. And I do go in with a buffer, buff it up real good. Just like this. And this is what it looks like. Now the rest I am going to do the same exact thing too. This hand is very sturdy. Highly recommend. Excuse the background noise. My daughter is watching, I think, Peppa the Pig. So, just go in with a little buff. So I am going to speed through the rest, well, the other two nails, but I did want to show you guys what it is that I am doing. I do go in and wipe the nails down with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. I highly recommend you invest in some lint-free wipes. I can't tell you how many times I've wiped the nails with some alcohol and a paper towel, and then I went in to apply my gel polish, and there's like stringy cotton everywhere. It messed up the look. So I am finally getting a chance to use the Born Pretty gel polish, and I'm using this in the shade Ophelia. I love this polish set. So here I'm just going in with that shade, and it gives it the perfect tint of clear with the perfect tint of slight pink that I was looking for. I cannot wait to use these on my clients. Everyone once in a while wants just a basic set that doesn't look basic, and I think this is perfect. These give your looks the extra pop that your nails need. Like, this is pretty. This is really, really pretty. I'm so happy I picked these up. These were also from my Amazon haul, and I just go in and do this on every nail. The video is about to come to an end, but like I said, I highly recommend this hand. If you already have a practice hand and that hand is giving you trouble, throw that shit out and get this hand here. I'm telling you, you can manipulate the hand whatever way you want. It just be rocking and rolling whichever way you push it, pull it, and turn it, and it's sturdy. So that's all that matters to me. It's not breaking. I don't have to worry about buying the plastic piece, replacing the fingers, trying to fix it and glue it. Sis, get this here. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do that. And I will check you guys out in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. And also hit the bell so that you are notified when I do upload another video. My semester is over and I'm officially done testing as of Sunday. So I'm going to be popping these videos out. I will check you guys out in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will check you out in my next video. Bye.